Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Romani. Right now I'm almost 3 years locked, and in those 3 years I have loved making lock videos on YouTube, just giving you all some advice when it comes to your lock journey. Recently I've been seeing people go through great lengths to make sure that their locks are perfect before they start them. You know, like they're making appointments with locticians, which you should be doing, but I'm just saying, they're making appointments with locticians, they're watching all these videos, like they're doing so many things. They want their locks to be perfect. They want the parts to be perfect. Like they just want everything to be amazing. And I understand that, but I also want to remind you that this is a lifelong journey and everything is not always going to be perfect in your lock journey, and it's okay. Sometimes you're going to want to comb your locks out. Sometimes you may actually comb your locks out. Sometimes you're going to start over. Sometimes one lock is going to be bigger than the other, and it's okay. You can do all the things in the world to prevent certain things from happening, but it's life and it's hair. Hair is unpredictable. No matter what you do to it, you're never going to be able to predict what your hair is going to do. So I'm making this video just to give you some advice if you're just starting your lock journey, to be patient with yourself. I always talk about patience when it comes to this lock journey. Be patient. Stop stressing out when things are not going as planned when it comes to your locks. I'm going to tell you how I started my lock journey and just some of the things that I encountered while on this journey. In January of 2021, I thought I was going to give myself some faux locks. So I just gave myself like really small twists all the way down, and I was supposed to wrap some hair around it. I ended up liking the twist, and so I was just like, I'm going to keep it forever. However, since I didn't really anticipate keeping this style forever when I started it, my parts was all messed up, things were different sizes, and like I was just going to keep these faux locks for 2 weeks. So you see the dilemma. When I decided that I was going to keep my locks and then like they started to mature, I started to notice different things. One being, you can't see it right now just because my hair is twisted. I have one super long, thick lock just because when I first started my journey, I thought that I was gonna like interlock my hair. I didn't know I would be retwisting, but my hair was too thick to interlock, so I had to do the retwist. So one of these locks back here was like interlocked and then it was retwisted. It's so big when I take it out and then it just hangs down, and I was so like insecure about it. And I remember my partner, he also has locks. He was just like, bro, like relax, like you're gonna have these for years. It's not always going to look like that. It's crazy, but this lock in the back is literally one of my favorite locks. Like I think it is my favorite lock because it's just so thick and it's so long, but that was something that I hated at first because it didn't fit in with all the other locks. But now that all of my locks are maturing, everything just blends together perfectly. And y'all say that y'all like my hair, people in public say that they like my hair, but I was tripping so much about one little thing at the beginning of my journey. Literally like maybe month 9, I was like, I have to get rid of this lock. And then I've also had to combine some locks over the years. So I have a super thick one in here too. And as time went on and my locks just started to grow and I had to combine different locks, I was just like, girl, why are you stressing? Your hair is gonna grow. It's all gonna look the same once it grows out. Like you're gonna have these for years. Like I may even have these for the rest of my life. Obviously they're not gonna look like this 15 years down the road. But I say all that to say that your lock journey is going to be a self-awareness journey for one, and it's going to be a growing journey, and it's going to be a journey that teaches you a lot of patience. So just because you started your locks today or last month or last year and they're not looking how you want them to look, you have to be patient. This is not like something that you do one time and it's gonna look amazing. It's trial and error. You're gonna try some things and sometimes it's not gonna go well, and you're gonna try something else and it's gonna be amazing. Your lock journey is just like life. It is no different. So do not go beating yourself up just because your locks don't look a certain way. Some locks may be bigger, some locks may be smaller. You might mess up on a part. Like things happen. Your locks are going to mature one day and you're going to be happy that you stayed on the course. When I look at my hair and when other people look at my hair, they're like, oh my God, I love your locks. My hair has not always looked like this. There was once a time where I was on this very app complaining about how my locks weren't locking fast enough and I wanted them to be longer, and then my roots were too puffy, like just complaining about so much. And then I love to watch my videos because I love to see the gradual transformation where I'm like, I love my hair. I I love my hair exactly how it is. It may not be perfect, but I still love it. I know that this is a short video, but I just wanted to come on here and give you the motivation to keep going on your journey. If you was about to cut your locks out, don't cut your locks out. Don't comb them out. Just stay on the course and be patient with yourself. I have been recording my lock journey since day 5, so if you need any advice, any tips, I'm going to leave all of my videos down in the description box, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can see those previous videos and my new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment, follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave everything down below, and I will see you in my next video.